I am so irritated. Today is a moving day. I don't have a truck. And now I'm like running around looking stupid, looking for a truck. And every place I go, oh, it's already reserved. Of course it is, because that's what you do. I made my reservation 2 months ago. Hey guys, guess what? It is finally, oh my god, it's finally moving day. So it is August 7th. My move day is tomorrow, but I may be able to get the keys today. We will find out. Yeah. So the plan for today is, if I get the keys, hopefully I do. The plan for the day is to take everything that I don't have secure in a box or a bin and put it in my car and drive it to the apartment. So I'll be doing a lot of back and forth, which is going to be a lot because the place is, 45 minutes from where I am now. So that'll be fun. I'm going to get the boys up and get them dressed, and I thought I heard one of them. I'm going to get the boys up, get them dressed, and get the little one to daycare, get the big one to my mom's, and then my mom will pick the little one up from daycare at the end of the day, and I'll just spend the entire day like going back and forth and getting stuff that I need and stuff like that. So I'll bring you guys along. Let me show you what we have. I have everything completely packed. All the closets are empty. The boys' room, I have all of the boys' stuff. I have all of my stuff, all of their clothes, all of my clothes, everything. So let me show you. But this is what we have now with all of our, that's all of my clothes, and stuff from the bathroom, and some of the boys' stuff. That's full of clean folded clothes. And then miscellaneous stuff over there, paper towels. There's my bed, bookshelf, which I think I'm going to use for the entryway, and more clothes. Anything in a trash bag is clothes, and this is hung up clothes. Boxes. And then over here, more boxes. And the boys' bookshelf, but it's backwards. And then my underwear and bras, clothes, coats, which I was going to sell, but I may keep it now because I don't feel like it. The comforter I was telling you, move stuff around. My chair, my kitchen chairs, and over there, camping stuff. And here, all the boys' clothes here, and then some more of my hung up clothes. And then we have all of the kitchen stuff. This is my kitchen table. And I got chairs to go on either end or on one side. I was thinking about using one of the benches in another area of the house, of the apartment, so the boys can sit down and put their shoes on, and then I'll just get the chairs that I have and put those up underneath the table, and then the boys can sit on that side and I can sit in a chair, and then we just have an extra chair. So I've used these Amazon boxes to pack up. This is the stuff that that can't break. So like their cups and plates and stuff. And I'm sorry about my raspy voice. Oof. Here is all of my spices and nutritional yeast and my protein powders, all of my Alani Nu stuff, and then some crackers, and here's some miscellaneous stuff. And then here's the stuff that can kind of break, but I'm taking this stuff in my, I need to put this in. I'm also packing Ethan's lunch while we're doing this, so. Yeah, so I'm just taking the glass, like the mugs and the glass stuff in the car. I'm not taking any glasses with me. I bought new glasses for myself. And then here are all of my, it's so early, canned stuff here. And this lighting is so bad, but I mean. And then we have sauces and oil for frying and olive oil and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna be pretty well stocked on cans. I may need to get like 1 or 2 more jars of tomato sauce when we go to the grocery store. So that'll be fun. So yeah. All right. So we went through everything. That's all my stuff. Like, that's all my stuff. It's like hidden behind the other boxes. It's like my couch is in a box, and under here, like you see, like this is all my stuff. So I don't think it's that bad, but I guess when I start moving, I'll be able to feel the volume of my stuff. But I'm the one who moved everything down here, so I think I pretty much have an idea of how much stuff it is. But then again, I was gradually moving stuff, but yesterday I did a really good push to move stuff. So, ooh, you can't even see me. So, anyway, this is what we're doing. Okay, hold on. I'm like so excited. But it's so dark, so I can't even get a proper thumbnail. It's a beautiful day to move. It's been raining on and off, but you know what? Sis, new beginnings, brand new horizons. You feel me? Yes, period. We moving, period. So I was in that Verizon store to pick up my router, and they don't carry equipment. And the closest Verizon to where I am is in, so I'm in, if you know anything about like the DMV area, I am in PG County, and the closest Verizon store that carries equipment is in Ellicott City. So I'm trying to think, is that Baltimore County? Oh snap, what they got going on over here? Oh, did the CVS burn down, or are they just redoing it? Oh my. Oh, and I went to the leasing office, dropped off her money. Sis got her money for my unit, and she said my unit is actually getting sanitized right now. So the key, they're gonna hand me the keys once it has been completely sanitized. So I have some time to waste. So this is fine. Like, this is all fine. I want to make sure I have my internet because I'm working from home full time. That's a priority. So I tried to go to IKEA, but the line looks like something from Disneyland. Like, they needed like signs to say, if you're here, you have 2 hours to wait. I've never been to Disney, but at least all the vlogs that I've watched, that's how it is. So I went there and I decided against it because I wasn't going to stand outside in the heat. So then I went to that second Verizon store to look for, to try to pick up my stuff. They didn't have it, so now I'm going here. But first, I'm going to stop into Marshall/Home Goods to see what this location has. I've been going to the same location back where I used to live in Charles County. So they didn't really have nothing down there for real. And it's Friday, and usually on the weekends they have pretty good stuff. So I'm going to mask up and hop out the car and go and see what they got. See what they got. Can you tell I have my coffee? So I went and got my router. So now I'm in Burlington in the home section. Bare. The shelves are bare. Well, I do like getting these. Something is wrong with this. They don't have, it's not perforated. You know what I mean? It's no dots. So we have this long, but it's super juicy though. So that's good. So you can't see me. So I am just going to wipe everything down in here, all the doorknobs inside of the cabinets and everything. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe out the cabinets now. Just because. Have a second. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that now, and then I'll finish bringing in some of the stuff that I have in my car. So I get to the budget place, the budget truck rental place, and my truck is not there. So I try to call the customer service. I try to call the customer service line and get on the phone with the customer service line, and she tells me, oh, you need to get to our trucking department. And I said, okay, transfer me to the trucking department. Oh, you need our customer service department. Okay, I just spoke to customer service, and he said, oh, no, we have our own customer service. And then I said, okay, and he transfers me, and I told him my issue, that my truck is not there, and he goes, oh, you need to talk to our customer service. Is this not customer service? Is this not customer service? Then I said, okay, let me speak to a manager. Oh, you need to get to our customer service. Okay. So who am I talking to? Who are you? Who are you? If it's not customer service. So then he tries to put me on the phone with the manager, and I'm on hold for like 4 minutes. And I think he was just wanted to put me on hold so I will hang up eventually, and that's what I did. But I am so irritated. Today is a moving day. I don't have a truck, and now I'm like running around looking stupid, looking for a truck. And every place I go, oh, it's already reserved. Of course it is, because that's what you do. I made my reservation 2 months ago. 2 months ago. It's almost 11 o'clock, and I can't. Okay, so I have some much better news. I started to call around to different U-Hauls and different truck rental places. Wasn't having any luck. And then I called this one. It is called Smallwood Self Storage in Waldorf, Maryland. So if you need a moving truck, I'm shouting them out. Great customer service. Called the girl. She was like, we have 2 trucks available. We have one 20-foot truck available. If you want it, it's yours. So I was like, fantastic. We're on our way right now. I was like, do you need my information? She was like, no, I'll hold it for you. So we get here, and now we're getting a truck. So shout out to her. I don't know her name, but shout out to you, sis, for coming through on my moving day. So now I'm just waiting for them to pull the truck out, and then we're gonna head back to the up. Here comes the truck. Whew, this is a big truck. Alright, so we are ready to roll. Alright, so it's all packed up. He closed it before I could show you. Hey guys, so we are completely moved in. I didn't pick up the vlog or the camera because I was just ready to get moved in. It's super hot outside, so I just wanted to make sure that we got everything in, and we did. So it's looking crazy. So yeah. If you haven't seen my empty apartment tour, go ahead and take a look at that. I am making the boys' room a priority. So this is what I have done so far. I just want to get them as set up as I can because they will be coming back tonight. So I need to finish getting them set up. I'm going to get their TV and everything set up so they can at least be comfortable in here. Their dresser, both their dressers are being delivered tomorrow, so that's going to be on this wall. And this mirror used to be in my room, but I just decided to put it in their room since I'm getting the big full-size mirror from IKEA delivered tomorrow, as well as my dresser. So yeah, so that's what we have so far. We've got that little lamp right there from IKEA. It was like $4, so it was a really good deal. Yeah, so this room is definitely a lot smaller than what they're used to, but this is our little cave, you know? Like I'm really excited about it, and I'm happy that we could get moved in and it's not too late. So I actually haven't eaten since like 9 a.m. So I think I may leave and go get something to eat. I mean, my table is pretty much set up. I'm just gonna wipe it down because it was inside the U-Haul. It's just so much stuff